All right, number 7 wants us to solve for the discriminant and determine the number of solutions. Okay, so the discriminant is just the part that is under the square root. So that is the b squared minus 4ac. So it's only this part. And what we're looking for are 3 different scenarios. If the discriminant is positive, that means we will have 2 real solutions. If the discriminant is 0, so if we do this and it ends up 0, we would have 1 real solution. And then if the discriminant is negative, that means we're going to have 2 imaginary solutions, or we can just say non-real. Okay. So that is the idea behind looking at the discriminant part only. So with the given problem, 6x squared minus 5x plus 4, we're going to focus on just the b squared minus 4ac. So that is going to be negative 5 minus 4 times 6 times 4. So this is all we're going to be doing. So we got 25, 24 times 4, 96. So I can see that this is going to be negative. Looks like a negative 71. Okay. So our discriminant came out negative. So under the square root, we're going to have a negative, which means we're going to have 2 non-real or imaginary solutions. All right, now the next part, choose the number of solutions. 1 real, 2 distinct real, 2 distinct non-real solutions. All right, number 8, same thing. We want to find the discriminant and tell the number of solutions. So we have negative 5x squared plus 9x equals 4. Again, you got to make sure this is set equal to 0. If you just start working, you'll get it wrong because this 4 is on the right side. When we move it over, it'll become negative, and so that will change things. So I'm going to move, subtract the 4 from both sides, and that will give me negative 5x squared plus 9x minus 4 equals 0. So they did appear to be in the right position, but be careful when it's on the other side of the equal sign. Now we can do the discriminant part, so it's going to be b squared minus 4 times a times c. 9 times 9 gives me 81. And then we got 3 negatives, so this is going to come out as a negative term. So it'll be a minus 4 times 5 is 20, a positive 20, and then positive 20 times a negative 4 gives me a negative 80. Okay, so minus 80. When we do the math, we get a positive 1. So our discriminant is 1. It is positive, so therefore we will have 2 real solutions. And then 2 distinct real solutions.